Greetings, greetings. In my storytelling, I think I probably take too long to get to it, so I'm gonna get to it. I have something I wrote that I want to read. This is I don't know when I wrote this, maybe sometime last year, and it says, "Who will ride for you?" Title: Choosing Yourself in a World That Chooses Self. There comes a time in life when you must ask yourself a deeply personal question. Who will risk it all for you? Not the you with the smile pasted on your face, hiding the weight of your battles. Not the you that dressed up and polished for the world. No, I'm talking about the real you, the vulnerable you, the messy, unfiltered, sometimes broken you. Who will stand in the storm when life rains down its hardest blows? Who will guard your heart like it's sacred? Who will ride for you when the road gets rough, the bridges burn, and the world feels like it's turning its back? Here's the truth: the first person to ride for you, to risk it all, must be you. Because survival or self love isn't selfish, it's survival. It's the foundation of every love in your life. If you don't value yourself, how can anyone else truly know your worth? Lil Durk, not a Lil Durk quote in here. He said, "I was riding for people who wouldn't ride for me." Hmm, that's a lesson.
Ayo, a famous person follows me, check.
I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, open digital run. Camper, front